There is no denying that technology now dominates a huge amount of different industries. Being computer illiterate just won't cut it anymore in the world of work, and learning to code seems to be the buzzword at the moment. And everyone from Bill Gates to Obama is encouraging young people to give it a go. But what exactly does learning to code entail? And why is it so important? Coding can lead to software development jobs. Coding is a fundamental skill for jobs such as software development. There is currently a shortage of software developers worldwide, so learning to code can be an easy route into an open field of work. However, this isn't the only way coding can open up job opportunities. It opens up other job opportunities. For smaller startups, hiring someone solely to take care of coding and web design may not be the most economically viable choice. Having coding as a string to your bow can be key to finding jobs related to the field, like content creation, marketing, PR, and more. Coding can also make your job application stand out. Even if you're applying for a position that has no direct relevancy to coding, it is still well known as a useful skill. Thus, by having any knowledge of it, you'll automatically give yourself a foot up on the competition. On top of it being a generally worthwhile skill in most jobs, it also shows that you are hardworking, dynamic, and a self-starter. Coding literacy can also help you understand other aspects of technology. Knowledge of coding, or as some call it, coding literacy, can help in other ways too. It can mean you are quicker to learn other aspects of technology, plus meaning you are more digitally fluent. In today's ever more digital job market, this can only be of benefit. It could also lead to freelance work. If you are wanting to go freelance or have the ability to work while traveling, coding may be a great way to get into this, as coding is a highly valuable skill at the moment. Many companies are willing to outsource the work. This means skilled coders have the ability to create their own schedule and charge a nice rate for it at the same time. Coding can also allow you to pursue passion projects. Coding is a fantastic skill for you if you're the sort of person who has tons of ideas and wants to get started on everything yesterday. Not having to look elsewhere for a coder saves both time and money. Plus, it means you can keep changing and redesigning as your idea develops. Coding can boost problem solving and logic skills. Outside from the implications of coding, which look good on a resume, coding actually does boost skills which are actually useful to most jobs. Problem solving and logic are the main two. Learning to code is like an exercise session for the left side of the brain. Coding also improves interpersonal skills. Coding for most big projects tends to be a collaborative effort. This means having to work as one cog as part of a greater team. Learning how to best interact with bosses and co-workers is an essential work skill, and it can often be developed through coding. Being a skilled coder can build confidence. Knowing you have a desirable skill in a competitive job market can help you become more confident in your own abilities. It is also quite an addictive process. The more you learn, the more you'll want to learn. Knowing that any problem which could stump most people is easily solved by you is empowering. Lastly, anyone can do it. Unlike a lot of items on a position's person specification, like a university degree, pretty much anyone can learn to code. It doesn't take several years or cost thousands of dollars. In fact, it can pretty much be done online and from the comfort of your own home, and can be learned flexibly around your other commitments.